Taraga humdoirak suba Mami Numit Chatliba Tha Sigi April Tang Mapan 2019 Manipur State Film Development Society ki auditorium da Film Forum Manipur na sinduna pangthokre. Hairiba Mami Numit asida laikhidraba film da chenja chongjaramba film gi thongmi singi photo da laikatuna ikai khumnaba utkhi. Loinana, Taragani Thoirak Suba, Manipur State Film Award 2019 Su, Hairiban Numit Asida, Manipur State Film Development Society na Sinduna, Manipur State Film Development Society ki auditorium da Pangthokhi. Hairiba Award Yentopagi Thorum Asida, Dr. J. Suresh Babu, IAS, Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Sri Kangabam Tomba, Actor, Sri S. Mangoljau Singh, Chairman Film Forum Manipur, Loinana, Sri M. Lakshmi Kumar Singh, IAS, Commissioner, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur na, Mathang Sidna, Chief Guest, Special Guest of Honor, Amadi, President ki Pampam Langbiki.
IAS, Special Guest of Honor Sri Kangam Tomba, Loinana Guest of Honor Sri S. Mangoljau Singh, Asigi Mera Sokar Pethorum the Saruk Abidi.
ngasi April ki tag mapan nasi Manipur ki film ki itihas ta yana maru ibon nimit amani haribon nimit nasi mayam na chu hena khangnare ngasi ki dagi 1972 April ki tag mapan sri da Manipur yan hanba Manipuri lol da puthokpa adum film matang gi Manipur haiba adugum film asi pegi Manipur ki hall sing habadi usa cinema hall amadi friends talkies amadi kaksing gi azar hall da pegi hamba premier screening tawiki nimit adu da matam ngasi election biriba ahlaman singna matam dugi na hawramba ngasi na ahlab obiraba adugumba ahlan singna matam da phawbi gi ba mix feeling ado akoi gi Manipur gi lol da ihan han koi uba amadi Manipur gi lol gi dialogue tabada mayam gi thamoi da phawki ba adugumba ithil yana nungai ba mix feeling ado ngasi chu na honana akoi na ningsing ba amsung madugi nungai ba do akoi ju ngasi gi tulam jotla iba akoi na chu muk saru ya jaraga madubu akoi na honana bu ningsil laga yana nungai na phongduk saba adugumba nimit amani mami nimit aibase
Best Writing on Manipuri Cinema Juries.
To felicitate and honor the jury chairperson and members of the 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019. It's their very heart and very strong dedication that we are able to celebrate today's auspicious and very delighted and amazing function and it's a grand success of the Manipuri film industry. The special jury of the feature and non-feature film, Haubam Pavan Kumar Singh, chairperson, and Nek Sagol Sem Tijendra, member, and Rajen Mitai, member, Birendra Salam, and Brajesh Koyumthem.
Feature film, the film Traum 15 films siyang jay aduga non-feature dana film ahum kitang lai adugi non-feature gi nungai tabase akoi je like 3-4 years back akoi je documentary dadi akoi Manipur zain kan mada and entire northeast region the documentary numbers akoi dang ayam ba namam bane do yamna handak yeng bakan sida short film Romi gi short film amaga adagi documentary Amarjit ka Pabung Sham gi film ani khaktane yauri set.
The 12th Manipur State Film Awards of the Lifetime Achievement Award goes to none other than Ekopumnamaki Ima Yengkom Roma.
Yengkom Roma, a noted actress and the first female superstar of Manipuri cinema, is being conferred the MSFDA's Lifetime Achievement Award in recognition to her outstanding contribution in the growth and development of Manipuri cinema. Yengkom Roma has been passionately involving with Manipuri cinema since its birth.
Special Jury Award for the 12th Manipur State Film Awards goes to the film My Generous Village, producer Pinky Brahma Chaudhary Shovni Jain, and the director is Maibam Amarjit Singh.
Best Music Direction, Non-Feature Section, film My Generous Village, Music Director Guru Ruben Masangwa.
Special Jury Award, Manipur State Film Awards ki haitare. Ado maruina sigi film si koigi koigi ukrulda hana kano oramba arms dealer oramba amagi mangonda documentary film oina namade masi arms dealer oramba degi toktho kanda ai magi farm le magi farm sida amkhanna halakan magi rejuvenate to baitare magi massage amu farmers oina hallage na maina halak baitare ado maruina asagi waris the years mana halakpa adagi magi khungangi mi singsina cross migration to baitare mapanda leiraga thabak suraga nungai gane na khanba mana mapanda chalurkanda magi khungang dong halaga farmers orakanda ai amukkasu hingalan bayai umang yokhalaga amukkasu hingat bayai umang yanthatraga su mai maruina magi khungang si u yam yanthatle ado mana halaga u yandraga su koi khungang sida farming toroga la foi tharaga yong chak tharaga mai toroga so koi hingba ngamina yamna machang thokna hingba ngamina haiba adugi matangi wari amani.
The Best Audiography of the 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019 goes to respected Samurai Latpam Subhash Sharma for the film Ras Leela of Manipur.
Once again, the film Ras Leela of Manipur, Sigi cinematographer ni Hero Maipak National Award ni Hanana national level da film ga mari leinana award phangba ngambikraba Manipur ki tanglaba cinematographer ni.
And the winner of the Best Direction of the 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019 is respected Sir Aribam Shyam Sharma for the film Ras Leela of Manipur. And this is the third award goes to the film Ras Leela of Manipur, the Best Audiography, Best Cinematography, and Best Direction. The jury salutes the doyen of Manipuri cinema, Sri Aribam Shyam Sharma, for his sincerity in bringing out this highly aesthetic and technically overwhelming film. The jury also acknowledges the competitive spirit of Sri Aribam Shyam Sharma.
Best Short Film, Yours Faithfully. Producer Singh Subham Shital and Director Romi Mete.
For highlighting the contrasting realities of democracy in theory and in practice against the backdrop of a conflict situation by using a civil service aspirant youth as protagonist.
Ngasigi non-feature section da best short film khangse yamna nungai and one more delighted thing is like this is my hat-trick award. I consecutive block I say ohum thana award phange. On the other hand, award means more responsibility. I left in a film namjagi again at Moida Pawe. See award see yamna nungai to the film yours faithfully have say the same manungi koigi katang philosophical over kanone minute mapan ga kanokar sang ba second kra the same koigi yam chawa nation India itself si say koigi yam submissive nature da didum formally akone laikanda yam submissive nature over yours faithfully yours sincerely in see kano dileba. But when we are directly, come down to the system, adugi system duga pon onei haibedo I films the portrait on one of the saying now nation sigi koigi future pillar ama adi masi IAS ki experience amani smine exam pi ge na khanba koigi private school ama do oza oiba asagi lupa magi no mada koigi thengna ba mana yum dagi ne school bok sapada thengnari ba koigi law and order system see kada ide lege have do films the portrait of
I ahambani yours faithfully I film da I smine award phang ba se yam nungai je yam harawi aduga I husband director ni aduga I smine social kanoda haidi kitang influential oiba kanoma da film mama smine puthokke have se yam kan inspire tawjaba yam motivated oijaba haitare.
Best non-feature film Ras Leela of Manipur, producer Rita Swami Chaudhary, director Aribam Shyam Sharma.
Sir Opendra, director Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Rita Swami Chaudhary ki represented winning as liberally. Thank you very much.
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯆꯨꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯛ ꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯖꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯆꯨꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯀ꯭रिꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭रिꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯀ꯭रिꯌꯦꯁꯟꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭रिꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ihun nama create torpagi mihul du phaba ngambre yengsi haidana yamna wana khallaga ngam thangsang ngammi haibsu yade adu honabani aduna jagoi oina natte
Makha chathajarak poina ngasigi thoramgi guest of honor amoina lingsin biriba ikaikumna jariba Respected Sir, Shri S. Mangoljao Singh, Chairman, Film Forum Manipurna, ngasigi thoramga mari lena na wahai khara fongdokpina magidamakta nolukna hangachari.
Aikoi ngasigi mami numit haidana Manipura aikoina observe tawjarpasi taraga humdoirak subani. Manipur State Film Development Society amadi Film Forum Manipura ni kusam naraga leptana pangthoktuna sahi khudingi lakjabani. Madugum nangasi handaksu 2019 ge sigumba April gi tang mapal sida su ekhoi punna thabasi pangthomina bani masida ekhoi gi laikhidraba film gi lamyan biramba ahal sing aduga film gi lakta tinbiramba nauna pusi sengje loikhiba kaya bo ekhoina ekhoi gi nungai bu numit oijarabasu ai gi ahal laman sing maru mapang sing adusu ekhoi gi irakta yawba phangdabagi awaba du ekhoina mikup amatang
Best Book Award of 12th Manipur State Film Award is the book titled Film Gi Khongchat Punsigi Matel, and the name of the author writer is Yambim Tombi and the publisher is Yambim Ningol Sarangthem Ongbi Pajabi Devi.
Publisher ni Yambim Ningol Sarangthem Ongbi Pajabi Devi.
Taragani Thorak Suba 12th Manipur State Film Award 2019 Film gi maramda afaba lari iba haibadi Best Books Award adu phanglaba adung laba iseni haiba award asi kari karma lari ibada phangbimno si matang khatang haibiu
Tarani Thoi Suba Manipur State Film Award se masida aina handaki kogi phangiba like sigi mamingna film gi khongchat punsigi mathel hariba like sida phangbani Best Writing in Manipuri Cinema haidana da aingon da pibi base ai haksu ta sengna lyric sina phaba phatabi wafam sigi wafam natabada henna irakna bagi bagi masi ithil piba amakhakni sigumba award ki function na sida sigumba lyric iba amane na mayamna khajiktang oirabasu masak khangbi du na pibi rakpa saigi ma ke degi su yamna nongai ba phongdok jari
Herojit Nomaithem Best Film Critic Award winner
Herojit hoji akhona phangbiriba award asi kamaina khan mano asi matang khatang haibiu
chahi mata mana kanodagi from right any chahi do id handaki situ apni ado 19 ni dan ado magi mamangi 2018 da asagi senior journalist ado ga critic tuna koi film ga mari lena nai orina writing on cinemas si mari lena iba magi mana quite foreign khan ba adum clip to moina maximum 10 aduga minimum na koi 5 tagi kan to bai tare hen da ba aduga 5 tagi helaga na 10 so mana clip si akana clip tara kona submitter ga moigi matam dugi festival committee adi moigi senior writing gi or best book ki sumana moina jury chairman tor moina panel thamaga sumani khallaga to bune
Ngasigi President Oina Lingshin Biriba Ikaikumna Jariba Respected Sir Shri M. Lakshmi Kumar Singh IAS Commissioner Art and Culture Government of Manipurna Ngasigi Thoramga Mari Lena na wahai khara fongdokpina bagidamakta nolukna hangachari
Young talent sing film gi world se changbiraklaga akoi gi film gi movement akoi gi Manipur da film gi inot live ase hen pulna changjan mena raga hena afabu igini haise issue masu share tawje
matangda thamjariba awards na Distribution of Feature Film Award Sigi category area shini
and the award for the special Manson film of the 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019 goes to the film Maram Chanu, director Beej Gupta Laishram and producer Ashok Maibam.
Special Jury Award se winner film Ai Lakhini, director Nomaithem Hemjit, the producer Nomaithem Hemjit.
Special mention actor for feature film category C.H. Rameshandra for his role in film Alia, Magi Matambakta, Maitan Araba, and Taibung Kaitel, etc.
Best Playback Singer Female Gi winner Umolota Devi, the film na Maram Chanu.
Best Male Playback Singer winner is Thotai So Kai Singh. Song O Laisisa Laisisa. Film Wanam.
I mean a total showcasing. I couldn't home pay the I hojik them infanational lay, financial item, tobacco, lay them, she love I journey them both side them lay.
Onam have si kari hai no
lainam
onam hari ba film asi lainam hai bane natra award phang ma quiz de hena thamoi da kari hena phau ba ge hadi hena honaning ba gi tanja du amuhan pi bren khan ba ki award festival is the award phang is na
oi adum ai bunsida ai sasak ba sida ai award tonga tonga phang jakre adu film gi lambi sida handak kisina han mane adu ai wakhanda si phangni sugan khalam de nomination tawena ojamai pakna harak pada yam nungai rame adu award phang musda ai damak dum Punsida koi nungai ba adum ai research ba ai iba punsida adum recognition je ngona pire ai nungai ba adum myam ba haininge
Thotai So Kai Singh film Wanam
Yam nungai ngasi Thotai So Kai Singh film Wanam aduga best lyrics sigi hariba awards si oji comfort to na bigi sab moment tuni ngasigi guest of honor na hariba award CPBD best music director award phangbiriba RK Birendra Jit aduga film gi maming na Wanam. Ladies and gentlemen, Alia mingkhonjaba Manipuri feature film gi costume designer Galipa mana ngasigi thamjariba phajariba best costume designer award se logbiri
hauji aiga unagadori basi khoi Galipa costume designer Manipur da miyam sakhang biraba dung laba ai inauni aduga hauji pangthok leba tara gani thoruk suba Manipur State Film Award 2019 asida khoi best costume award phanglaba adung laba ai inauni ko adu hauji best costume award phangiba film si kari film don tang haibiu
Alia film maming Alia
Alia sida khoi best costume award phangi ko sida kamaina phangi bino haiba isada kamaida phangaki jano adi ai thoido hendopa costume da atopa film jing dagi hena kari sida da hena kari tawba lai hi bage adugi kathana haibiu
masida aina tawjabasi akhoi maitai panghal gi oiba amaga akhoi bamon ga aniji ga khena badubu akhoi na ngasagi hujik mayamna unari basi nataba thaine dagi chatna duna leiramba fijet ka ama aina mayamda uhalle aduga anauba akhoi Manipur da leiba maitai panghan jingina senaramba fizol ka haibadi asengba traditional da oiba akhoi sigi lamdam sigi chatnabi masi aina film sida mayamda khanganba ngamhalle haita khangdaba kya soi akhang haida chatlaga ai tana jaraga ai mathangju award longnana bai try tawjagi
ngam thagat ni ngani adi state award costume na tra umlak phangi se ho adu hena hona badagi hena hona badagi ani suba suba somai phangai ne ba hona ba habasi akhoi mioi bada lepa ya banate hotpu hona draba dagi tambu tamdradi adum loire natra aduna hona ba amasung tamba tammi gai loiba nai banate hona ri gai akhoi loksing ji hengala kadani aduna sena hena hona raga matung da mari rak suba manga rak suba taruk suba award sing mathang thang lakpada su award phangoi biyo aiduna haljari
thank you.
The winner of the best makeup award is Aku Pukrambam for the film Mona Sengau Lakpa. And it's given to Akru Pukambam for giving a consistent look to all the characters in the film. For giving a consistent look to all the characters in the film, and he is the winner of the best makeup for the 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019.
Best special effect Beju for the film Hidak Tombi.
Best editor 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019. Yoimayai Mongsaba for the film Alia.
Moda Sengau Lakpa film sigi Pari it belongs to Kangla film ngasigi Thamjari Award Best Audiography Hariba Award si Pangbangam Laba Satna Raba Audiographer ni ladies and gentlemen Best Cinematography Miwayanini.
This award jointly goes to two winners, Arjun Ningthemcha and Irom Maipak, for effective exposure control in low-key lighting situations and dynamic camera work, which contributed immensely to the portrayal of characters and to the film as a whole. Best Child Artist Award goes to Brahmachari Mayum Desiras for spontaneous and seamless performance, which is a fine example of acting. So a big round of applause for the winner of the Best Child Artist, Brahmachari Mayum Desiras, for the film Maitan Araba.
ABI Kombasar Masuk Ali from Kadigi. Bamale Kadigi. Nasi award from this best director Taris Karak Subana. I home Laksu. Kaki film the Tagre Hamba. My wonder, Maitan Arab Danira. Harao was a miam power Harao. Punktile drama away. Aduga Sagol Toy. Drama say Marie Mangham Tishram. A scientist only.
Best Supporting Actor Female for the 12th Manipur State Film Award goes to Reena Ningthaujam for the film Aruba Jail. A big round of applause for Reena Ningthaujam.
Aduga koi film gi oina Manipur state ki nata bida haidi whole film ai short film ko bahana mem tawje ba dung modu da nongdi tar khidre digi atop topa dabu bigi atopa koi short film da phangki ba mem lai da as a actor oina phangba de handak sina han ban
hoji phangi si kari film dano anu kana direction daw
handak ki koi Aruba Isil na adu film do da o goktom na direction daw ban award phangba sima di yam nungai aduga sina pele hai badu di lai dai hona ga da ba koi khang ga da tam ga da sang wali banina sigi makha da ba hen hona ge andu khali da si phangba jing di yam nungai ai je hoje ai leibam je singjamai chan primapal dani aga icha nupi ani ne icha nupi ngata handuna handak 10 thai aduga atom bisina class 4 ka ba
okay angang sing sida di khoi gi film pamba na daga art pamba gi kano ga di moi da di leibra kamai tawe
ai mama art pamba ni cha sing jo loin ba art pamba gi icha nupi han ba khoi yel balai yam phajan di aduga ma jagoin goi chaba yam hai aduga icha nupi atom biju film da artist oina dum act tawe ai mama gi matung ilaga dum isai nongmai jagoi yam pame.
Best Supporting Actor Male goes to Avi Kundrakpum for successfully portraying the role of a foster father with admirable synergy, exploring the nature of human relations. A big round of applause for the winner for the Best Supporting Actor Male, Avi Kundrakpum.
Best Supporting Actor Fangrabadum Lava Actor, Best Supporting Actor Abby. Okay, Abby Handaki Sahi the Pangtul Award ceremony sida khoi Best Supporting Male gi ko Best Supporting Award phangin sida thamoi da kari phau bage amadi kari sida honarakpada ai gi mai pak padu thungen khanbi bra kamai tawe
harau bagidi daiso ngamkhai leitre kari wahai na haraga describe ta udom khangre adubu ai honajrak da mai phange habisidi hoi kitang makai di chajara bra di khale adubu sina mapung phab dinatri sidagi hen ma kaya ama ai kan honadana simaina phangma ngamna bai honakini.
The Best Actor Female for the 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019 is given to Saroja Chongtham for the film Lamandama. Saroja Chongtham effortlessly leaves the role of Yaibi as a teenager, drug peddler, struggling and vengeful mother. So a big round of applause for the winner of the Best Actor Female, Saroja Chongtham, for the film Lamandama.
Saroja Chongtham, Lamanama, Best Actress. Topa side role toba film topa sukungre adagi di main role toba su release torak 3. Amma ani musina sidi kuiresi khar kuiresi film se. Sina first ne bu habi khar main role di sina first. Am thin harawi kai hai duino khang de kem yam thin harawi.
Janita Manipur gi saknai rabi actress ni aduga hauji pangthori ba 12 Manipur State Film Award 2019 asida koi gi best actress ki nominee sang laba adum laba koi gi actress ni aduga hariba magi film Arubi Sel hariba film asigi producer su koi biri bani aduga hariba Arubi Sel hariba film asi hadak pangthol le award asigi damakta di koi nominee mapan changba adum la film ma ori bani ko adu je koi gi best actress ki nominee changak pa aduga koi best actress ti koi taba phangok dre ko aba sida kari fail to bi bage
kaisu kai de kai ai oina di kaisu nuai ta feel tau de kai no habadi nomination khala ba hum je loina mak best actress ngata ni moina yare na judge sing na koi khala on best actress ni na winner has di amana drama dum oidro bane ba ada amana oina su ai phangau de bi nuai ta bi kaisu lai de dum best actress ki oi hore
yam thaga chari summe mam di se nominee changai ba sing ase loi mak sap mane adubu ngasai gi actor amatang di khan da ba ya da ni na tra amakha khan gi ba ne adubu ngasai nominee phangi ba sing asi aphaba actress sing marta amani haibadu ngasai gi committee na ta ga pibira abani ko alu ngasai gi film asi puthokna ba hona banda akoi gi actor oi badana tana haibadi actress oi badana tana producer ju oi biri ko asi kari wakan da gi actress oi badagi lantho producer oi gi ga na khalbi gi no
masi yam sing na hayab do ko khoi hajik manipur da namnari ba film sing je am ba khoi family drama adegi khoi yam na khoi hajik ji oi social issue oi ba adegi kitang sidagi khoi family drama sidagi kitang thaido ga to ba khoi story line da boy ro direction da or any line pun mak ta ne kitang different oi film ma puthok ko pam ba I wakhalon da duga ina sum acting toraga actor mo as an actor oi toraga kum le ta di khoi director to ba mi sing haidi mi gi makhara thabak tor gadi mina taw habdi sana dum tor ko lei dawni adu te aina tawning ba mong ai di aina sumaina atopa makhal gi mong ni train da film se puthokning ba se isana producer order gadi tawba yaroi da bagi khoi gi mong ma urak da gi aina isana si producer order puthok jabni sen yam phangani ba khoi manipur film tor paisa yam phangani ai yam na ka noming chat legini adu yam na di ai khalude tasengna manipur film bu nungsi jaba pamjabri sum tok jabani
mani sumi mram di ngasai gi khoi actress oina atopa company na nepi ko matam dari ngasai gi story line adu makoi na develop tor ga hana leijara madam natra adu isana puthok pi film as dadi isana apa ma film nataga wari story line isana pa madu khanjara ga
bagi chance mo phange ba
thank you thaga chari matung da apa phaba khoi gi award phangba ya ba film kaya amada khoi gi khongda birak tno ko award phangbo oi bi haina haijage
thank you
Best Actor Male for the 12th Manipur State Film Awards 2019 goes to respected Sir Guru, my beloved Guru. I would like to personally say that KSH Vishwamitra for the film Taiban Kaitel. KSH Vishwamitra beautifully portrays the character of Ahanjau, who is caught between traditional propriety and the harsh realities of a fictional society set in a different temporal frame. Once again, a big round of applause for the winner, KSH Vishwamitra.
tasengmadi akhoi gi silaibagi film career si akhoi gi future actor akhoi gi abhimpan sinba future actor 2013 na pangthokhi ba duda akhoi gi saruk yakhiba adum laba talent leiraba adum laba actor ni magonagi akhoi gi huji pangthok leba tara ni thorak suba manipur state film award 2019 asida akhoi gi nominee oina best actor gi nominee oina sangak pani si matanda khaitang paudong khaitang myam na thamjage akhoi gi sileba si handa pangthoi ba tara ni thorak suba manipur state award ko 2019 asi pangthok mutamda koi nominee sange ko sida thamoi da kari phawba ge aduga nominee sanga ga kai award ri koi lobudi ngam hoktre natra sidai ja koi pungning hanthaba phawdana ga film ga toge ga na khanba lebro kamai taw interview
State Film Award ta nominee chang bangam ba haibsi aigi oine kwai ge chawthok chaw mi ko bane ahan ba suni sida nominee chang ai se ado matungda mayam leiri ngasi aina phanghaudre haidana aingonda aigi tungi aigi future da aina ninghanaba kesu leiroi ai okhanda adum tawkhini mayam na su nungsibiyo aduga ai matung tarakdi hena honarga State Film Award che lobo ngam boy se ke
thamoi da akhoi gi matung da pangthok kadaba award sing da soidana akhoi gi best actor gi award soina lobagi tanja adu lakani mamdi soina su thamoi da honabagi tanja adu lakini haina thamjari ado akhoi hoju phawda charak film kaya amuk sure aduga si matana kadang
charak pa ai film 25 suram do male
25 okay
future actor gi talent hunter gi ai thorak tan smai to na myam gi sewa to bungam jari masiju yam chaw credit ni future actor si matung tarak pa to future actor se yaubi dana inkhalak liba di koi gi film pamjaba art kala pamjaba myam changak tana seija kala toriba akhoi myam se pulap yokhat minena manipur si amutang fazna saktak pa ama oibang ngamna ba hena oibang ngamna ba gi damakta ai haijage aduga future actor si yaubiu ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ.
Thank you so much.
Best Screenplay Award is given to O. Gautam for skillfully presenting a contemporary theme of youth and human relations with the framework of the popular format. A big round of applause for the winner of the Best Screenplay for the 12th Manipur State Film Award 2019, O. Gautam for the film Aruba Jail. Best Art Direction goes to Bala Sharma for the film Ailakini. With available resources, the art director has succeeded in taking the audience to an era when television and drugs had just arrived in Manipur. Best Direction Award goes to O. Gautam Singh for the film Aruba Jail. The director succeeds in telling a contemporary and socially relevant story in a simple, creative way through the use of the popular cinematic expressions. So a big round of applause for the Best Direction winner O. Gautam Singh for the film Aruba Jail.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯒ ꯎꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯣ ꯒꯧꯇꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯃꯦꯀꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ 12th ꯁꯨꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ 2019 ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯑꯣ ꯒꯧꯇꯝ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯂꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯗꯅꯣ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕꯁꯦ
ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯏꯆꯦꯜ
ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯏꯆꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯪꯈꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯁꯤ
ꯑꯔꯨꯕ ꯏꯆꯦꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯣꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ 7 ꯆꯪꯕꯅꯤ
ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯚꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯁꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣडियोग्राफी बेस्ट एक्टर एक्ट्रेस अदगी सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेस अदगी स्क्रीन प्ले डायरेक्टर दुगा बेस्ट फिल्म
सुमाइना अखोगी बेस्ट नॉमिनी फंगिबा सिग मैम जी मनुंगता कया मुक्ति अखोन अवार्ड फंगबा कमा अवार्ड पे काम फंगो
अखोगी मापन सिग बुंगदे अवार्ड अहुम दि अखोय फंगबा गमे अमना बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर फीमेल दा कोई रीना निथुजम अदुगा बेस्ट स्क्रीन प्ले का बेस्ट डायरेक्शन का अहुम दि स्टेट ना होजे कनो अवार्ड के सिनबीदना सही खुदिंग चांग सिनबी रखपसे होजे हम कना हरावी मसी आई स्टेट अवार्ड से ममांगदा पनखे फिल्म खक्ता ममांगी ममांगदा हाइतारे अदुदा स्पेशल जूरी अवार्ड अमा कक फंगी अदुगी मतुंगना सिना अनिसुबिन
बेस्ट चिल्ड्रन फिल्म द विनर इज द फिल्म मागी मतम बाक्ता डायरेक्टर माखोन मनी मोंगसावा प्रोड्यूसर सुनीता.
The film succeeds in highlighting the physical and mental space required for children to flourish in this highly competitive world. So the winner for the Best Children Film, Magi Matambakta. A big round of applause for the winner.
Sri Makhonmani Mongsabagi Chanupani, Yoi Mayai, ladies and gentlemen.
The Best Debut Feature Film goes to the film Maitan Araba. The jury was quite impressed by this debut film from a very young director who has so much mastery over his craft. The jury sees a bright future for this young filmmaker and wishes him all the very best for his future endeavors. So a big round of applause for the film Maitan Araba, director Lukananda Khetrimayum and producer Khetrimayum Bimal Singh. The Governor Award for Best Feature Film 2019 goes to the film Wonam, director Maipakshana and producer Amos YL. The jury unanimously presents the Governor Award for the Best Feature Film to Wonam for successfully highlighting the age-old fraternal bonds between the Meiteis and hill-dwelling Tangkhul tribe. The use of folk music, costumes, historical locations and traditional festivals has richly contributed to the making of an aesthetically good film despite its technical weaknesses. The jury wishes to acknowledge the producer Mr. Amos YL for his vision and dedication. A big round of applause for director Maipakshana and producer Amos YL for the film Wonam.
Hauji aiga unagadriba akoigi saknareba ani ase akoigi hauji pangtholiba 12th Manipur State Film Award 2019 asida akoigi Best Feature Film gi award phangkraba adum laba saknareba ngaktani Onam haibadi Lainam hariba film asida akoigi Best Feature Film Award phangkraba adugi film director amadi producer ani laijare director oibiriba igi now mai paksana ko akasai Lainam hariba adi Onam hariba film asi puthongna bohona ba matamda kai kai awaba natraga kai kamai feel tawgi adi kai kai location chappada thengna ki awaba kitang haibiu
Tangkhul Music and Film Association pulaga workshop on to 5 days workshop with adudai da akoigi Tangkhul gi ichina akoigi friends se unabadagi film on puthokpa pame ana hairakpadagi keno ibani na film je sagat pa horakpane oda mana akoigi Tangkhul ga maitai ga anisi gi relationship thain gi yelong mi gi akoigi horakpani Tangkhul ni iyamani maitai inong ne habse kaugna kare hujiki generation jingna mashi karina kaugnan muno habse dharmana jat bijana masi khaibani masi amuk punjal laga ikoina maitai gi amadi manipur gi oina akoina mera hongsong ba na makhak tawi masida maruiba thematic values oil laga akoina what is sem kalakpane manas what is pukalakpane aduga sumaina tawduna ibaini na film jam wana kapia do koi film ji yam reality oiba documentary gi petal lom da sangsel laga yam reality oina pu machat namne anuba film le do aina masi akoina yamna technical sina de reality oina masi innocent art oina yam innocent art oina pu film gi machat amada film je puthokpane
nungai jere mai paksana aduga unajaga dorba koi film asigi Onam hariba film asigi producer amadi actor Amos YL koi film si kamaina hadi film producer ama oige si kamai khalakige aduga si kari wakal nagi film ji changa khibage adu kata habiu
film ki through dagi kamaina picturize oraga akoina sumaina akoi amaga nungsinaraga jingmitami horokpam amatagini go se akoi khandhamina naba picturize over picture rom da film lomda puthokpa yana ba je mai tawgdage se ai tampa ka tana jaraga adodi tawrje na adum hawhimne adum ai isamak Tangkhul ne humpung dagi ne
thagachari ado matungda su afaba film mayam puthokuna ko simba award sing ali national amadi international gi thakta pangthokpada award sing da mana loba ngamba award pangba ngamba afaba film sing kaya puthokpiro haiduna haijari
thank you
Manipur State Film Development Society na sinjaba taranithoi suba Manipur State Film Awards amadi Film Forum Manipur na sei khudingi pangthoktuna laksariba tarahomdoi suba mami numit asigi thorom asibo mapung phana loiba pawba lengsin bi de ba khaipono pu ahanbamakta da kongno khoramjari loinana thagat pa phongdoksari